Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Make.com scenarios for Stripe subscription events, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Make.com scenarios for Stripe subscription events, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Navigate to your dashboard to view your existing scenarios. Locate the scenario you want to update and click on it to open. In the scenario editor, identify the current Stripe module that handles subscription events. Select the Stripe module to access its settings. Check the event types currently set up for the module. Review the documentation from Stripe to determine which subscription events you need to add or modify. Adjust the settings to include any new subscription events you require. If necessary, remove any outdated or unnecessary events from the module. Next, ensure that your module is appropriately connected to your Stripe account. To do this, check the connection settings within the Stripe module. If changes are needed, click on the connection and follow the prompts to refresh or reauthorize it. Once your events and connections are set, move to the Filters section of your scenario. Set up any required filters based on your updated subscription events. This step ensures that your scenario only triggers under the right conditions. After configuring filters, proceed to the next action module within your scenario. Ensure that it correctly processes the data from your updated subscription events. Adjust mapping fields if necessary, based on the data structure from the new events. When everything is in place, save your modifications to the scenario. Run a test to validate that the updated scenario works as intended. Monitor the test to ensure it successfully handles the Stripe subscription events. If any errors occur, revisit your settings and troubleshoot the issues. Once satisfied with the test results, activate the scenario for regular use. Regularly check back on the scenario to ensure it continues to function properly with Stripe. This ensures that your subscription management remains up to date and reliable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.